Part 3 because my phone turned off. Part 2 because my phone turned off and my fat self was hungry. I'm going to have a big back. A big back, big back, big back, big back. Oh my God. My mom, my cousin are always fighting. Like, chill. He's your nephew. Why are you fighting?
Understood? Thank you.
Mia, Nina. Yeah. These cat memes are getting on my nerves. KJ, if you're not watching your show, turn it off. It's getting on my nerves. I'll turn it off myself. Because it keeps on rah, 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 rah. And it keeps on playing music. Freaking dumb remote. Sorry, y'all. I was really.
Is it cool down
I
there?
was raging with the remote.
Be still. What are you doing?
The remote homework, Mom. Oh, Mia. Grandma needs a new remote. I don't want to phone because I'm too lazy. Man, should look like that. Funny moments. There's one reason why I know about funny moments. I remember the first day when me and my cousin started watching them. They've been getting on my mom's nerves ever since. Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, there's that. I was going to say, I literally just started recording something a minute ago. One last pick, then I'll be gone. Pick the flash on, pick the camera on. Wait, where are you going? I'll be dead by dawn. I'll be dead by dawn. Girls, one last pick, then I'll be gone. Pick the flash and put the count on. I'll be dead by dawn. I'll be dead by dawn. Girls, one last pick, then I'll be gone. Mom,
What?
hold up. Oh, one last pick, then I'll be gone. One last pick the night. Pick the flash on, pick the count. I know y'all waiting for me to be funny. I'm fin to be funny. Hold up. Yes, queen. Ain't nobody got time for that. Do you wanna be a snowman? Ain't nobody got time for that. That's what I be like when I'm watching that movie. Ain't nobody got time to build a snowman. Leave your sister alone. I'll be annoying you if I was in the movie with you. Anna, you're such annoying little rat. You keep on running your mouth. I don't wanna build a snowman. Oh, please, I don't wanna build a snowman. Get out my room before I slam the door in your face. And your face is gonna be flat like a pancake. One last pick to navigate on. Y'all, I'm so fat. I'm so fat, y'all know that. Mwah. Blah. Mwah. Yeah. Almost all my classmates are dead. You know, it's probably say that's kind of rude to say, but what they always say, be true. That's something that some of them don't even know. Like I asked, he said, if you're really smart, then what's 120 plus 120? Boy, it's 21. It's 21. 21 plus 21. It made me say 30. It made me say 40. It made me say 30. Bruh. Why me?
You want sweet and sour or the songs that you had earlier?
Sweet and sour. So, Mom, my classmate is gonna ask me what's 120 plus 120. I didn't understand. It's 21.
What?
My classmate said, what's 120 plus 120? I'm like, what?
20 and 120.
I said
That's
it's
120
21.
and 120.
No, I said one. He meant to say 21. Oh my God! I was like, Jaden, what? And it made me say, I was thinking it was 100, so he said no. And then I asked my other classmate, and he was like, it's 21, Jaden. And he said no, it's 120. I was like, I ain't finna deal with this.
Stop moving. Throw your garbage away, sir, when you finish.
Oh my God, it's hot.
I know. I told you. You just seen take it out the grease.
One last pick, then nothing else. Thank you. What is this?
Minute Maid Tropical Punch. What are you calling?
That's his phone. I'm scared, y'all. Comment down below. If you like egg rolls. If you don't like egg rolls, get out my face, bro. I book. Also, don't laugh. Yeah. Back up. I'm just. I don't know like that. If you, I'm trying not to step on. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, oh happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Is it your birthday today? Or your birthday is this month in April? If your birthday is today or in this month, happy early birthday. Don't fear blowouts. Don't fear. Stumble. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna do a part 4, but yeah, I'm so bye. Okay, I ended my video. Now I can finally act like myself. You ate sweet crushed ice. Nalo. What? You ate sweet crushed ice. Yeah, uh-huh. Take some pictures. Buttermilk bun. Okay. Evil. Hey, good. I love it. That was so cool, honestly. Evil. And then it was like a bitch. I was a mouse. I remember that I was taking pictures in the sunlight to make me look cute. What? Have I stopped recording? I'm tripping. I did stop recording. I can't wait to get my picture signed. I really hate Toca, bro. Okay. KJ. Oh, yeah. Baby. Don't know. You want to play Rio Bio? Look, you want to play Rio Bio? Because... I would never grip on a video, but I'm not recording, so good. I'm never too woman. Have to worry about. I understand. Narita. KK, play Rio Bio with me. I said. Wait. In the face. Long as a dog sounds like some cats. Long as a dog got like a cat. Long.
Okay, well, I still see your McDonald's cake on the table. What I tell you to do, get your cake and then you finish with it.
Oh shoot, I'm still recording.